What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here in Wicked Garage. In front of me you see our F250 mason dump build, and obviously it's gotten a lot of body work done. Me and my dad are going to tackle the rest today once I get it moved over into the other bay so we can paint tomorrow. So in order to do that, we're going to have to move all this stuff out, move that over, and then sort of reorganize over here. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and like the video if you like the content. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we were taping everything up. We didn't get everything done. It's about 9 o'clock right now. I'm going to come back in the morning, finish taping everything up. The only thing that's left is pretty much to tape up the doors, the rear window, and then pretty much the bottom around the wheel wells and everything, and then just sort of like pull this down, tape it down to the ground, blow everything off, and you know, just scuff a few spots that we put some primer on. So nothing too crazy. You can see we hung them up on a 4x4 beam going across. That was fun to get up there. It's gonna be fun getting down, so I'll probably ask a buddy to help me out one night. But other than that, I mean, everything's good. We got everything taped up in the engine bay. It's nice and tight. And then once this is tight in the front, we don't have to really worry about too much. Have this propped up on a piece of board so that we can get down in the top of the fenders on the inside. So we'll just lift this up and sort of spritz some paint in there. And then we sort of just left these foam pieces in, and my dad scuffed everything up, got everything looking decent, and we put the seam sealer on, so that's all good now. And pretty much once we get this all taped up, blown off, wiped down, it'll be ready to go. All right, guys, so everything's scuffed down, taped up. You can see we got everything taped to the floor. so we don't have any dust going underneath there, any overspray going up onto the black. The biggest part of painting is prep work and taping. Like I said, we taped up probably about 8 hours yesterday, and then I taped up another probably 3 hours today. It's a lot of taping, a lot of prep work, all the sanding. It's insane how much you really like have to do to make this look good. Also, we took the doors off, so there was a little more sanding on top of that, all inside the door wells and jams and everything. But no big deal. We got that all taped up. Everything is ready to go. The only thing that's left is we got to blow everything off. When you're painting something like this, you really want to have, like, if you're not fast enough, I mean, luckily this isn't like a really big cab, so it shouldn't take me long to really, work my way from the top and the middle and down. But on bigger jobs, when you're doing like bigger things, it's good to keep everything wet, obviously, so that it all looks uniform. And it's better to have two people, but unfortunately I can't have my dad over here. We don't have two good guns like that, and we also he can't really stand on the ladder that much. As you've seen yesterday, he was sort of like laying down, he was leaning over and stuff. This is just a lot of work to do on your own, and I'm glad my dad is here to pretty much help me with doing this. And he is helping me out as well, so it goes both ways, but I'm just glad he's here with us still. Other than that, we're going to pretty much set you up back here, and I'm gonna blow everything off, wipe everything down, and then we're gonna start mixing up and painting. Shouldn't take too long. Like I said, prep work and taping up is the longest part of the entire job. All right, guys, first coat is done and it looks gorgeous. The only thing that I sort of missed was back there, but it's not really too big because we're gonna probably do another coat. This covered really well and it looks like glass. I really don't want to put another coat on because I don't want to risk anything happening, but you normally put two coats on when you do this kind of stuff, but it looks freaking gorgeous. You can just see it off the reflection. Like, there's a little bit of orange peel, but there's nothing crazy. Like, this lays down so nice. All right, guys, next day we pretty much untaped the entire truck, and you can just see how nice it is.